1 week ago today, I officially left school, and looking back on that now, and the last week of seeing my friends, of partying, of celebrating the fact we've finally completed our GCSEs, it's given me an opportunity to reflect on the brilliant times I've had up at Ditcham. So here is a video of the last few weeks at Ditcham Park School. I hope you enjoy it.
It's time to move on, guys, you know. Peace out. Of course. I'm very sad to be leaving, that's all I can say. I'm so glad to be here.
Konnichiwa, お一人はジェームスですか?
Hello, bye-bye.
What's up, Fake Nation? It's your boy, Ramsey.
So thank you all so much for making my time at Ditcham special. It's been an amazing 7 years at Ditcham, and I've made so many friends and so many memories that I'm going to cherish forever. If you like this video, please check out previous Ditcham Park School videos on my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, Ditcham Park School.